I'm calling this complete. The file clamp was hitting the table, so I had to make the opening in the table a little bit deeper so that it would clear. And that was pretty much all of it. I did go in and replace the yoke. I thought there was too much clearance on this. This is the yoke follower. It rides on the crankshaft pin, and the yoke runs up and down. Anyways, I'm going to plug it in here. You can see it sounds pretty much like a sewing machine. In use, this is a file going up and down, and you can use this to remove small amounts of metal and get a pretty good finish. This is a 1/2 round 3/8 file. You can make a notch on sides. It cuts all the way around. But anyways, so this is it. I bought a motor off eBay. This one's 6 horsepower, and it doesn't take much power to run this thing. My drive belt's pretty loose. It's that's a 1/4 inch urethane rod, and you can see it's pretty flexible. Anyways, you heat the ends, stick it together, and that's your joint. Let it cool off, and it's got as much strength as the rest of it. So anyways, there you go. You guys have fun.